Alright, we definitely, oh damn. Damn, that's crazy. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are on our way back up to the auction early morning. If you guys was tuning in to the live yesterday, you guys seen we won a like type motorcycle trailer, or utility trailer rather. So we're gonna go scoop that up. Not sure what size the ball joint or anything like that is, so we're gonna go have to check it out first, and then go maybe to like Harbor Freight or something, and then get that hitch or whatever. But we'll definitely have to see. So stay with your boy and let's go. But first, let me have to pull up to Harbor Freight real quick so we can find a like a drop hitch and like a ball for this trailer before we get there. So we're gonna see what they got up here real quick, man. Alrighty, guys, so we got a hitch and we got a couple more little trailer parts and stuff, but man, we are looking good. Look, check it out. Yes, sir. Let's see how low this hitch will drop in the back. Let's see. Yeah, that should be cool. Should work out. Then we got the little pin, slide right in that joint. We should be good to go. There we go. Bet, easy call, man. So, oh yeah, we could probably hook up one of them. Well, I guess we could figure out which one it is first before we hook it up. That ball joint. Let's hop in this joint. We should be good to go, man. Alrighty, guys. So we just pulled up to the auction and see if we can get our trailer at least pull into the back and get it or what. Hi. Alrighty, guys. So we got that thing paid for and it should be coming out right now. So we'll see. And here it comes, guys. He's actually just rolling it out here. Yes, sir. What's up, man? How you doing? Pretty cool little trailer. What's up, man? Yeah. I'm going to see if it fits on there. Hopefully, we'll see. You know what size ball you think that is in the front it may need? Like a 2-inch or a 1 in something?
1 7/8.
1 7/8. Okay, bet. Yeah, 1 7/8. You said.
7 13. The little one.
Oh, the little one. Okay.
3.
1 7/8.
Pretty cool trailer, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty decent. So this is the trailer, guys. It's got lights on it. I mean, it's a little bent, but I mean, it's something small to get around town and whatnot. So I mean, I guess it is what it is. We got it for really cheap, so. And we got a little gas canteen. So we're gonna try to hook this thing up right now and see if it we can get it going. Oh, bet. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, so let's try to get this thing loaded up and see what happens. Let's see. Oh, it is pretty light.
Yeah.
That's cool. Thank you. All right, buddy. Cool. We're getting this thing hooked up, ready to go. We got a little gas canteen right there. We'll probably have to put that in the back, but we'll have to get on there though. All right, so we got them clicked up. Is there anything that's supposed to be through here to lock it?
Clip right there.
All right, so we got to get a clip for that, but for the most part we should be all right. But I think we got to hook this up too.
Come on, the hazard lights.
Okay, we got power. Lights is working, y'all. That's dope. This one's not standing up. I got a freaking tie down to probably hold it if anything.
Yeah, right there.
See. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing all loaded up. This little thing right here is kind of loose, so we had to strap it up so it wouldn't be hitting the ground. Now, we got to be careful because this thing is finger tight, because this crescent wrench is too small, but it's definitely not going to be going anywhere. And then we got to go back to Harbor Freight and get something to plug right here just so we can keep that thing locked, maybe just like a lock or something. But for the most part, this thing is loaded up, ready to go, man. So let's try it out. Yes, sir, we got this thing all hooked up, looking good. I ain't gonna front. That trailer on the back of this thing look nice. Now all we need is like a big trailer with some toys. So now when we go to the dirt and stuff, we can load everything up on the trailer and be good to go. And we can roll right up that thing, man. That's a plus, dog. I'm digging it. All right, we definitely, oh, damn. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, that wasn't good. Oh, damn, the whole, yeah, the pin dropped. Man, that's crazy. Fucking should have took the fucking streets. Let's see. Let's see, what else we got in this motherfucker? Shit up in there. I'm about to see. Man, the whole damn pin came out that joint, dog. That's crazy. Alrighty, guys. So what happened was the pin flew out. We had connected it and then put the pin in there, the copper pin, to hold it in. But apparently it dipped out. So now we got some tie downs and trying to get it right, man. So hopefully this hold up until we get off the freeway. But I mean, it is what it is. What can we do, right? What can we do? Alrighty, guys, we have finally made it to the crib after a freaking, the trailer almost flew off on the freeway and some more stuff, man. So like I told you guys, that copper pin kind of came out on us. So now we know what we got to do. But we figured out we got to put this up too. That was one of our problems too. But all in all, pretty simple. Let's just get this thing offloaded and get it pushed in the garage really quick. I'm gonna set it up on the tripod. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing in here. That was actually a perfect fit. It's actually smaller than I thought it was. I thought it was gonna take up the whole side, but we're good to go there. Now I just need to go find a lock for this part. I need to go find another copper pin. I'll probably go get my money back, and then I need to tighten up this ball joint and probably put something through here so this thing doesn't move anymore. If you guys have any tips and tricks, man, let me know right now in the comments below. But had to freaking, luckily I had these straps, man, or else that trailer would have been sitting on the side of the freeway. So I don't know, man. We gonna see though. I'm digging it. I like the whole trailer look, man. But I don't know if I would use this trailer to go like pick up a bike for it though. I'd probably still put it in the back of the truck. But I don't know. That's just me though. Alrighty, man, we got this thing in here. Like I said, guys, we gotta either get a few little things just to get this thing, you know, 100% safe. But would I take this thing cross state lines to go pick up a Harley? Probably not. I don't know. It took me getting a trailer and having this thing nearly fall off and cause a huge wreck on the freeway for me to be like, yeah, trailer is probably not a main thing I need right now, but I'm definitely going to try to put it to work and see what we can do. Earlier was pretty scary, man. That thing was literally swinging back behind the car. The only thing that was holding it up earlier, that didn't have it all over the freeway, was these little safety hooks right here. So that's the plus. Luckily we had those things tied up, but still got some learning to do. Like I said, guys, this was my first time towing and hooking up a trailer or anything like that. So I'm learning just like, you know, I'm learning right here, right with you guys. I really don't know much about it, but you know, you gotta learn someday, so it is what it is. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got the trailer back here, man. We need to go get a bike and see what this thing does with a bike on there. Now that we did all that and did all the mistakes, we got that all out our system now. So now when we tow, man, we can be, you know, pretty secure and pretty confident with our load, and you know that we're gonna get to the next destination safely. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Thanks for tuning in today. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.